நம்ம வந்து எந்த ஒரு நாலேஜுமே நம்ம தேடி தேடி கிடைச்சிட்டு இருந்தோம்னா எப்படி வந்து ஒரு ரிவர் பெட்ல வந்து எப்படி நம்ம வந்து தோண்டினோம்னா தண்ணி வந்துகிட்டு ஊத்து தண்ணி வருதுமோ அது மாதிரி பிசினஸ் பீப்புளுக்கு வந்து டெய்லி வந்து ட்ரைனிங் டெய்லி வேணும். ஒவ்வொரு புது விஷயங்கள் நம்ம கத்தாகணும். அதுல வந்து பீஹைவ்ன்றது வந்து ஒரு பிபிபியோடைய ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டூல். அதை வந்து ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி மெம்பர் ஹேஸ் டு லேர்ன் அண்ட் யூஸ் ப்ராப்பர்லி. என்ன அதனால வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது ஒரு மெம்பர் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி மெம்பருக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா பீஹைவ்ன்றது வந்து ஒரு கோல்ட் மைன். அதை எப்படி நம்ம ப்ராப்பரா யூஸ் பண்றோம், எப்படி ஒவ்வொரு மெம்பருமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி மெம்பர் ஆர் கோல்ட் மைன். அந்த ஒரு எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்றதுல தான் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி மெம்பரையும் யூஸ் பண்றதுல தான் நம்முடைய பெனிஃபிட் இருக்கு. அதுல இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டூல் பீஹைவ். இது சம்பந்தமா நமக்கு வந்து ராஜகோபாலன் சார் வந்து பாரதி சாப்டர்ல இருந்து நமக்கு வந்து ட்ரைனிங் சொல்றதுக்காக வந்திருக்காரு. ஐ எம் வெல்கமிங் ராஜகோபாலன் சார். அவரை பத்தின முழுமையான விஷயங்கள் எனக்கு ரொம்ப கம்மியா தான் தெரியும். ஐ வில் ஏன்னா டியூ டு டைம் ஃபேக்டர் ஐ வில் ஆஸ்க் அவர் செக்ரட்டரி ஜினிஷ் மேடம் டு இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் அவர் அண்ட் ஜஸ்ட் ஷேர் ராஜகோபாலன் சாரோட ப்ரொஃபைல சொன்னீங்கன்னா எங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் மேடம். ப்ளீஸ் ஷேர் இஸ் ப்ரொஃபைல். தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ. வெல்கம் ராஜகோபாலன் சார்.
தேங்க்யூ.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Rajagopal sir. Good evening, all members. Yes, sir. I am Vijay Lakshmi. Rajagopal sir has over 30 years of experience in developing software products and delivering services. Sir is currently an entrepreneur with business interest in software and medical equipment and framing. He started his career in the area of operation research based software products in 1990 and was very successful in selling these products to the cotton mills, poultry, feed industry and the heavy engineering industry in India. He has extensive experience in implementing EP systems for discrete manufacturing, hospital information systems and returning systems. For 5 years between 2000 to 2005, he was based in the US selling and implementing for UTech Cybernetics, Singapore. Currently, he helps organizations implement systems besides doing performance troubleshooting and digital marketing. He is also a director in Sigma Meditech, one of the pioneers of refurbishing medical equipment companies, especially in the life-saving medical equipment market. With a wide network of associated dealers throughout India, Sigma today has established itself as a premier sourcing company with worldwide contacts and has complemented installation in various Southeast Asia countries as well. He is an active cricketer even today. He loves football. He is an active Rotarian also. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. First, கோயம்புத்தூர்னு சொன்னோடனே என்னால இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியல. ஏன்னா நான் கோயம்புத்தூர்ல படித்தேன் between 86 and 90 CIT. Then I was in பாரதியார் யூனிவர்சிட்டி மருதமலை. ஸோ சிறுவாணி தண்ணி நானும் குடித்து இருக்கிற எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் அங்கதான் வந்து ரிஃபைன் ஆச்சு. நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி BIM is a gold mine, but gold வந்து மைன் பண்றது is not very easy. So but here fortunately the options are very easy for us. What we need to understand is நம்ம கொஞ்சம் the way we think and way we act when it comes to business opportunities or business requirements has to slightly change. For example, if we want to say buy a air conditioner, a commercial air conditioner, what do? We look up some either on Google or on Yellow Pages or with some known person. That should change in the sense, number first, we need to come inside Behave and find who are the people who deal in air conditioning. And not necessarily in Coimbatore chapter alone, it could be other chapters also. Because, for example, Madras la rendu moonu Bharathiile இருக்கிறவங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா they have associates in Coimbatore. So not only for getting business but also for sourcing services and equipments from reliable people. Beehive is actually a very big gold mine. Now the kind of versatility, kind of range of products and services available, pathina unheard of. To just give you an example, recently one of our members who's into motorized applications for the aged, mobile wheelchairs லாம் பண்றாரு, wheelchairs, lifts லாம் பண்றாரு. He just came up with a robo to actually deliver food and medicines in COVID wards. He didn't have an idea of doing that, but when someone else asked him to do that, he was able to deliver such a unique product within about 20 days. So this certainly shows the power of Beehive. Just because someone approached him from the known network, he was able to conceptualize, discuss with the person, and then do the necessary engineering and deliver a product which was very successful in the hospital. So the first step is describing ourselves very clearly. In Beehive, there is even though we've given our initial classification or initial business, Beehive app. Beehive app, the first thing that we need to do is actually detail ourselves little more in the profile section. I'll show you. Contact details and a few lines of describing our business. So today, rather than just saying I'm a digital marketing or a software consultant, I can even write a few more things like ERP system, CRM, and so it gives you a better way to express what your business is, what products you are selling or what services you are selling. It gives you an option. So first, adu onnu. Rendavathu pathina profile you can also upload your picture. Very many people don't do that, so it becomes very difficult. People can actually recall faces very easily as compared to names. So one of the things that you need to do in your profile is upload a passport size photograph, so that when people search in the directory, they get to see your photograph there. Beehive concept is simple, sir. We capture the opportunity nodes, and we also capture what transactions is done between related parties, be it inside the chapter or be it outside the chapter. Someone is looking for a two-wheeler, and I find one of my BBB chapter members is a dealer for Honda bikes. So I pass on the opportunity to him saying, this is the contact person who's looking for so-and-so bike. So the way you need to record is, when opportunity, the giver of the opportunity has to record it in the system. So if I am passing out a lead or a business opportunity to anyone else in the chapter or outside the chapter, I give the opportunity, I give the contact, I give the contact name. Contact name வந்து உங்களுக்கு address book ல இருந்து எடுக்கலாம், இல்ல டைப்பும் பண்ணலாம். And what particular product or service the person is looking for, we can give. So what happens when I do this? You get a notification in the Beehive app, plus an email comes to you saying opportunity is being posted by this person, kindly contact him. So from there, as a provider of service, you go ahead and connect with the person, discuss. If the business is successful, then comes the next step in the application, which is the transaction. Link the product. So basically, someone raising the invoice has to put the transaction note. In the rendu concept are simple. We shouldn't get worried if opportunity, I got an opportunity from someone, so should I record it? No, you don't need to record. The person giving you the opportunity has to record it. Adhe mari, you've done, you sold the product to someone, you sold the service to someone, you've raised the invoice, now you have to record the transaction. In the rendu clarity irundaduna, you will not have any. ஏன்னா இன்டர்ஃபேஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா கிவன் இருக்கும், டேக் இது இருக்கும், ரெண்டும் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. But that is only for you to find out how many people have given you various opportunities, how much you've given. So there is only two ways of us to enter data. One is to give opportunities. Second is to actually do this transaction and record it. You might ask, is it mandatory for all transactions to have opportunities? Need not be, but it is ideal if we can do that because we'll know the transformation rate or the conversion rate. Many of the opportunities may not lead to business. That is okay. There are cases where people call up and directly order the product use. So there is no opportunity note. It is a transaction. That is also acceptable. Because as people become familiar with your product or service, they might not log in an opportunity. But you need to remember that this particular, say for example, Mr. Murli has bought once from me and the opportunity was given by someone else. Every time Mr. Murli does some business with me, I have to record the transaction because it is not a one-time affair. It is a continuous process since I'm getting repeat business. So this is also another factor that one needs to be aware. We need to continuously keep saying through a lead or a contact from the BBB community, we got the business, we need to faithfully record it because only then we will know the whole system, whether this network of people is giving us bonus and giving us business, and it makes sense for us to spend a lot of time and effort in understanding, connecting with people and generating business leads. The third thing that we document in Beehive is the knowledge transfer or KYT, what we call. So there basically the person who's initiating the KYT has to create business. It is about you telling the who are your target customers, who are your target market, so that understand clearly. And when they hear or and they receive some inputs or inquiries, refer you and your business to their friends and partners. So it is very critical that KYT is done, and even more critical that the KYT is documented. So you know within your chapter first, okay, I finished out of 40 people, I know at least 25 people. Which means when someone is asking me, I need to do this, I need to buy this, and you immediately refer that person. Now, one of the dangers of this so-called smartphone is people don't remember phone numbers anymore. So, ella nama contact book la potu vechindrom. What I would suggest as the first step in even before Beehive is everybody to have actually all your members' name and number stored in your contact book. This might sound as a simple thing, sir, panikalam, sir, panir pone. But if you actually realize, you might not have all these members in your chapter. So, reason being, it always is good to say when you receive a call, say I received a call from Mr. Murli, rather than saying, solunga, instead of saying, hi, Mr. Murli, thanks for calling, solrache. The connect is far more personal, connect is far more warm. It gives a sense of confidence to the person both ways. Oh, he's stored my number. I'm important for him. I've been from the sales angle. It is very comfortable. It breaks down any barriers of communication that or hesitancy that you might have. Is Mutada doubt, sir? Or am I going too fast? Hello?
One else. The clarity one now, you can just ask now.
Another given received மாறுறது இல்லையா அந்த டவுட் தான் இருக்கு. கடைசியா கேட்கலாமா அவர்ட்ட?
இல்ல கேளுங்க, இப்போ சொல்லுங்க சார். நான் காமிக்கிறேன், நீங்க கேளுங்க. என்ன டவுட் கிவ்ல சொல்லுங்க சார்.
இல்ல ஒண்ணு சார், நம்ம KYT given கொடுத்தா இப்ப நான் என்னை ஒருத்தர் வந்து பாத்துருக்கேன். நான் வந்து ரிசீவ்ட்ல போடுறேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க.
நீங்க அது எதுலயும் போட வேணாம் சார். ஒருத்தர் போட்டா போறோம் சார். see it is இதுல எல்லாம் Beehiveல எல்லாம் only one person, one side of the person has the transaction will have to record it.
ஓகே சார். இப்ப டிரான்சாக்ஷன் அதே ப்ராப்ளம் தான். நான் தான் இன்வாய்ஸ் ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஐ ஹவ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் தி சர்வீஸ்.
ஆமா,
நான் வந்து டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ரிசீவ்ட்ல போட்டேன் நானு. கரெக்ட் தானே?
கரெக்ட் தான் சார். நீங்க அது மட்டும் தான் பண்ணணும்.
அது போட்டேன் நானு. அது என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா ஒரு half an hourக்குள்ள டிரான்சாக்ஷன் கிவனுக்கு போயிடுச்சு. அது ரிசீவ்ட்ல இல்லாம கிவனுக்கு மாறிடுச்சு.
இல்ல நீங்க டோன்ட் வரி அபௌட் ரிசீவ்ட் ஆர் கிவன். நீங்க போட்டுட்டு நீங்க யார்கிட்ட இருந்து நீங்க who did you business with?
இப்ப முரளிதரன் சார் எனக்கு ஒரு பிசினஸ் கொடுத்தாரு. அவருக்கு நான் இன்வாய்ஸ் ரைட் பண்ணேன். I have given கொடுத்தேன்.
So you selected his name, you gave the amount and comment whether it is on in progress or completed போட்டேங்க இல்லையா?
போட்டாச்சு சார்.
That's all matters, sir. In the user interface is slightly confusing, so don't worry, you've done the right step.
Thank you.
Okay. And the user interface like given இதுன்றது தெரியாது. Actually ஒரே ஒரு plus தான் இருக்கு. அதுல you can only do one thing. Even if you click on the other side, receive click பண்ணிட்டு plus போட்டா கூட it actually opens up the same window only.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Sir, ஒரு டவுட்.
கிருஷ்ணன் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
இப்போ ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி நோட் கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா அது லைவா இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அதோட ஸ்டேட்டஸ் என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா?
இல்ல சார், இப்போதைக்கு அந்த ஸ்டேட்டஸ் அப்டேட் எதுவும் கிடையாது சார். அதுல we don't have an option.
க்ளோஸ் ஆச்சா இல்ல இன்வாலிடா இல்ல அது இன்னும்
இல்ல அந்த மாதிரி unlike a CRM system கிடையாது சார். இது only initial contact is passed on.
Okay. Because there is an opportunity note which was raised and the person who was referred did not have the capacity to do it. So leave the opportunity note as it is or mention.
Yeah, you leave it, sir.
Just
no, you leave it
okay.
as it is. You leave it as it is.
Great. Okay.
We are trying to figure out a good way to interconnect the opportunity and the transaction. Since it is initial days, we don't want to make it mandatory for the transaction to have an opportunity note.
Understandable. That one clarification.
Yeah, okay, not issue.
No, we are always having a version 2. So version 1 la idha available. Version 2 la we'll make few changes in it.
Yeah,
upgrade.
Is there any global search of member and category across chapters?
Across chapter இருக்கு சார். மெம்பர் டைரக்டரின்றது ஒன்னு இருக்கு. அதுல உங்களுக்கு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு. மெம்பர் டைரக்டரி உங்க சாப்டர் இருக்கு, all other chapters இருக்கு சார். அதுல
Okay, look at it. I want to have some service at Chennai, or say it's much bigger in Bangalore. So you have some host chapters available, but I don't know which is nearby to me or who are doing this. I want to check rating everything. There's so many hosts I will decide. So I just put the category, say UPS. So is it possible? Bangalore. If I select like this, is anything you can able to display the entire thing? I mean, chapter
yes,
1
sir.
like this.
Across chapter search பண்றச்சே category போட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் வந்துரும். UPS னு போட்டீங்கன்னா இருக்கிற UPS whether it is Bangalore or Chennai, you will get that data, sir.
So that means you have to it won't search Chennai. I can't have restriction. I want only Bangalore and search.
இல்ல only Bangalore. இல்ல அப்படி இல்ல சார், அப்படி இல்ல. Then what will happen is, see, number of chapters are increasing, so every time you will then be forced to select a chapter. You might not know the name. So idea is that it needs to.
Yeah, is there any possibility we can post our meeting finish at meeting next meeting days when you kind of thing on the app itself? My question relates with our physical meetings or Zoom meetings, whatever. We have a retrieve or retrieve it. I can say view back. I can track my previous meetings, or I can see what is a post meeting, where is the venue, everything. So is there any possibility right now on a chapter wise? By one chapter, I'm not looking. I can't look at other chapter.
Yes, sir. Actually, there is a backend, web portal that they are bringing on, which actually for the administrator has a lot of reporting, where you know what number of people who attended, things like that are there. But it is still in the process of being fine-tuned. And in addition to that, there is also an e-commerce portal which is there, which is in the initial, I would say, beta stages of testing. So where as members, we are allowed to list all our products and services. So there's a lot of activity happening in terms of the IT enablement of members.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm now sharing my, I've got an Android screen on my computer. So what you're seeing is the Beehive app once you log in. Screen visible, Dana, sir?
Super. Correct, sir. Go ahead, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. Let me start as I was telling you right from the profile. If you see at the top right, I have my photograph. So this is where your photograph comes up. So this you can edit using the profile option. Okay, it gives the basic information, date of birth, company's name, your GST number, if website address, your business description. This can be quite detailed, sir. All these keywords can be updated by you while you're doing your profile information. All you have to do is click on edit, and you have access to a whole lot of things. And as you're aware, both iOS and Android applications are there. So that way you get to update your profile. Second thing is the members directory. The moment I click on the members directory, if you see, even in our Bharati, a lot of people have not put their photographs. Very few have actually put their photographs. So this is what I meant by having a photograph is very easy for people to recognize and recall. Given our propensity to have very common names, Balaji, like that, a lot of Balajis or a lot of Srinivas, things will be there. So it's easy for you if you have your photographs, so that people will easily identify you. Here you can search for someone. As you are typing, the search comes up. You can type search by the name, you can search by the classification or the business. I actually wanted a UPS, so I typed UPS, it came up. I can type using the name, I typed Sri, so whatever Sridhar, Hari Srinivas, all the names come up for you. Now you are asking me about find a chapter. You have various chapters here, so this gives you a listing of the various chapters. Someone is asking me, right? Which chapter find? So suppose, see, for example, Madras, the meeting details, meeting day is Wednesday. The Google location, you click on it. It's not yet loaded because due to various reasons, now people are having a combination of hybrid and other things. So date is generally fixed and shown for you chapter wise. For example, Chanakya meets every Tuesday. Bharati and South Madras, we meet on Wednesdays. The other option is to find a member.
Yeah.
So here you can just give UPS and search. So you have two UPS people from different chapters.
Your only chapters name missing. That's why I'm asking you. So I have to go and select. So if it displays,
so you want to restrict it to Mysore. Then
okay.
Rend option, but thing is, unless you are aware of the people, you will not be in a position to know or do a chapter. I would suggest that you actually do a blanket search without even searching the city. Then zoom in on, close in on the person or the city is what I would suggest, because the number of people is not very high for you.
Yeah. No, right. On scalability, I'm just thinking. That's all. I don't know.
You click on them, you get the complete details, sir. This is why I'm saying it is very critical that your profile is listed in detail. I mean, a profile, basic information da on the app, unless the description, address, and the keywords we give, people will not be in a position to get to know about us. So making up your profile is the single most important thing for you. Next comes the transactions, sir. Another, start from the opportunity. As I was telling you, the interface is one. It really does not matter whether we are received or it updates itself so that for you to see, okay, these are the various opportunity notes that I have given. What I've received from others is this. Okay, so irrespective of whether new or given, this button is the same. It doesn't change the action. So once you click on the plus button, whether opportunity type, whether you're giving it inside the chapter or outside the chapter, given to whom, reference type, connecting to self or others, if it is others, we given the name, and put in the comment saying this person is looking out for whatever products or services. You can also choose outside the chapter. Then comes up the city for you. Various cities where various chapters are there. And you get the whole list. So this is assuming that you know the person and you're able to pass on the opportunity to that particular person in the chapter. Rest of the thing is same, sir. So if you look at the summary, I've given 5 opportunities and I've received 7 opportunities. This gives you the summary of what it is. Similarly, transaction notes. Okay, transaction received, transaction given. So this is how the very similar to thing, it goes inside the chapter, to whom you given the thing, whether the status here, whether it's a work in progress, if there's a huge project. Typically what we advise is after you receive the, raise the invoice and you receive the payment, first payment, I would suggest update the transaction note, not before you receive any payment. Similarly, how was the reference? Whoever gave you the business, how was the transaction excellent, good? Is it a recurring transaction? You can put in, and also put in the amount. Third one is KVT. You see, I've given 8 KVTs, I've received 3 KVTs. So it's up to us to just click on plus once again inside the chapter, who's the partner, when was the date, throws up your calendar and put in a comment saying on this day you met at so and so place, you learned more about the business, whatever you feel like updating on that, you can update it here. Any doubts on these 3 screens? These 2 are the most critical things in addition to the profile and the member directory.
But I have questions, but I'm just waiting other members to ask you, then I'll join, ask questions.
Go ahead, sir.
Sir, you go ahead, sir. Ramesh, sir, you go ahead.
Okay.
Only your question will be valid for everyone. Go ahead.
Yeah. Mr. Rajagopal, please don't mistake me. I just maybe a wild question. Please look at that.
Absolutely no issues.
Fine. Okay. I look at this 3 options. Option 1, in my mobile app, mobile Beehive app, by the time I want to record my opportunity, it's not working or down or something. Point 1.
It is not? Sorry, sir.
Sorry. If something happened on my mobile app, it's not working at a particular point of time, either a recording opportunity note or making a transaction note.
Okay. What error was this?
I'm just looking at option. That's not really. That's why wild question. That's why I put it like this.
Hypothetical question.
It's a very valid question, sir. He's got a very valid question. 1 minute.
Very good.
Together answer. Point 2.
Okay, go ahead.
Super, sir.
My entire mobile, either I can lost my mobile enter is not working. I given mobile, so Beehive is working, but my mobile is not working.
Okay.
1. Third one, because of these 2, I came to mind. What I have done personally, I went to in my mobile, I went to a desktop site. Okay. There I get registered. On the particular login only, I put in the shortcut and put it on the front page of the mobile.
Okay.
Anything happen, this I can still click on, I can proceed with that by complete the transaction. So I did not hang it in mind and do that. That's one thing I experienced personally, but not great about transaction opportunity, but in terms of working, that's what I look at. Sir. Please.
Understood, sir. Let me stop sharing this application and share the portal also so that people get to see the portal.
Please.
Thanks, Ramesh, sir.
Thank you.
Now, what you're seeing is from the bbbindia.com.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 minute. I just reset my password today. So.
Or in your laptop, you're just so lucky, whatever is showing to me.
Yes, I'm showing it from my laptop only, sir.
But what I have done, I'm talking about in mobile itself, I went to the desktop next time.
No, I understand what you're saying. Mobile,
Yeah,
you
fine.
to the browser, you've gone to the browser using that and you're gone.
This page, I put it into my first one. In case that's not working, I log in, I get in this.
Okay.
So the transaction will be seamless. I don't keep the back of mind what's going on. It will be KYD or opportunity or transaction. I just keep it logging. It's not working. I can go to the desktop side and get to work in this.
Understood, sir. Fair enough.
I don't even go for, to be very frank, no password enough. Go to that your figure tip. You'll get into the automatically like this. As equal to that seamlessly with your mobile app.
Understood, sir.
Thank you.
People like you and me who are exposed to technology, I guess we switch between whatever is more comfortable.
Not that much. I just explore. That's it. I'm a technology person, for matter.
Looks like you're a technology user, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Let me come back to the application. The statistics or business lump is the overall summary of across BBB, what is the total volume of business that you're doing. Done. This is basically for the leaders to motivate everyone to spread the opportunities and also spread the various transaction notes that are done.
Information right now, number of visitors I'm bringing in, I brought in as of now, got converted into as membership. Anything I can give to pick this?
Number of visitors is shown here, sir. Yes, you have that, but the conversion is not recorded.
Very important right now. For a period of time, I know I have 25 visitors, I do that, 5 got converted.
I understand, sir. It's not yet been done.
Thank you, sir.
Calendar shows the various events, the next meeting day, when it's going to happen. This needs to be updated by your administrator so that everybody gets to see that. News and things, I don't see much updates happening other than the inauguration. You don't see much data there.
The support, please, could you please go to the support, sir? Who might get normally answer? And have a right from you, we can give a support or a big.
No, sir, this actually goes to the Mysore team, sir. Main IT team and Mysore.
Okay. Have you experienced that? Posted something, you got to that? The kind of
very much, sir. Quite a lot of issues I've resolved through support by doing this. Or there is Anjana who's handling the front-ending the support team. So you email Anjana, she comes back to you with a response.
Do you get an alert in the your mobile in the front itself? It's got something got replied. How do you track? How do you remember and get track?
Most of the time I've used email, sir. I have not used this, but I've told other users in my thing. They said whenever we raise the support ticket through this, they've got the issue resolved. Typically, Anjana calls up and checks with the user if the issue has been resolved.
So my suggestion would be probably on that icon itself, you have that numbers or whatever, 2 or 3, 4. So that alert I can say, oh, one is opportunity, one is transaction, one is my, what I can say, my support, whatever raised, issue I got, I said resolved, or information got posted. Maybe I can have tracks, some transaction, that would be a good indicator. If you show, like, whatever, indicator something, our bank app, whatever, we know something, oh, something has come. See, alerts me, right? Alerts.
Your point taken, sir.
Fine.
Any other doubts or any other functionality you need to address, sir? See, one of the most important thing is the login is typically your email ID that you are given in your application form. So In case you forget your password, don't worry. The forgot password link works perfectly well. You will get immediately an automated email coming to your email box. And using that new password, you'll be in a position to log into the system. The critical thing is, once a new member is inducted, that information has to go to Mysore for them to update it in the backend, and typically within 2 days they update it.
Another one? It's regarding to, in regard to categories, sir. Suppose at some point of time, I feel what I filled up something in a category, it is not actually represented some other way, whatever reason. It can be typograph error or something like that, not posted this one. Have you experienced like this in your chapter, sir? How do you resolve it?
Simple, sir. In my chapter itself, when I started, I was doing software consulting, digital marketing. I put both. They took digital marketing and put my name as digital marketing. If you see my classification, it would come under digital marketing.
Okay.
So let me just. Okay, this will not search because I'm searching here. If you see, my classification will be digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you look at half the opportunities that I've been getting when I talk about my business, it's also software consulting. So actually, I need to change my category. So what I did discuss with our president and the team here, and end of the first year, I think we are looking at once again refreshing all the categories, doing a check and updating for everyone.
To me, it's very important because the kind of my representation is very important. Definitely got a bit to go to the back seat. No, go back. What's that? How I get?
I understand. So like this is why this is not enough. This category is not enough, which is why I've been harping on this profile. This Please, profile is where you actually tell the members of BBB, this is what I want. This is what I am. So this is very critical. The characters that you put in here, the content that you put in here is very, very critical.
Let me put it like that. Somewhere you can find a word opportunity note called urgent, right?
Yeah.
People have that urgency mode. Do you think they go into this description like this or a category like this? Please explain, sir. Definitely, as a person, when I say an urgency mode, you have a given option like this. Quickly, I can see the category. Oh, you are a digital category, but I'm looking at software guy. I may not go get into this. That's why category I said more important than that. Of course, equally important description. I'm not saying that, but that kind of urgency do happen when scalability goes. Some of the things, routine things happen quickly.
I understand. See, today, in one sense, people are computing or accessing to the internet is done majority through the mobile. So we have to be very choosy in terms of having the content and putting it in such a way that it is concise and at the same time easily retrievable.
So my suggestion would be at least that category selection doing this can be get into this chapter wise, but subject to head can be decided so that every time you not depend upon this Mysore, that team or do this. Probably you can take it to the next stage. That'll be easy for me.
The application form layer, sir, on category.
Still category. Some people asking. So my category look business subscription description in the issues the categories issue.
What I would suggest is when you first get your login, immediately when a new member or anybody comes in, if you find that you're not comfortable, write back to Anjana and the team and get your categorization the way you want it. That is very, very critical. Just don't accept what is being entered there. It could be a handwritten note that your form that you filled up. It could be misrepresented or misunderstood by the person. So you are free to talk to the backend team through your office bearers and get it changed.
Okay, fine. How do you expect, probably in terms of members or in terms of chapters growth, how that this app is versatile in talking about scalability? It's picking up this great same speed, what you experienced about a year back and what is now?
Yeah, absolutely. That way, it's we have not had performance issues at all.
Okay, fine. It's not downtime, nothing like this. Never it got that.
Very rarely.
Very wonderful.
Great. Any other questions from any other members?
Sir, please,
importantly,
one more question. In any point of time, we will disturb you also. May not be like this
what I
meeting.
wanted to tell you, you're free to use message me on WhatsApp or call me. If I'm not picking up the call, I'll certainly return it back. I would prefer you call me because WhatsApp gets flooded with messages and I might miss it out.
No problem.
Other option for you is simple. You can just note my email address and email me. This is my email address, raj@arsenalitc.com. So that's the easiest way to reach me because I instantaneously reply to email messages. WhatsApp, unfortunately, is
message also. We said, please call me only. We can't put that questions into that. No, because I'm talking and understanding this kind of things with my person.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
Even that, please call me. WhatsApp la podradhoda email potengna it would be better.
Understood, sir. Definitely understood. I understood like this. Definitely, it's not that everything we can get solved in it. People open area kandipa vara chances irukku.
Unfortunately, WhatsApp I'm part of too many groups and status le podrom. If you something urgent, please call me or email na podrom.
Great.
Fine, Murali ji sir. Vera hand raise pannidanga na pass on பண்ணிட்டு check பண்ணிட்டு.
Hand raise இல்ல வேற யாராவது क्वेश्चन இருந்தானா நீங்க please unmute and ask. I think now it's time to go and practice.
Okay.
Apply. Yes. I think any questions, sir? Anyone?
Question ஒரே ஒரு இது சார் டவுட்.
ப்ளீஸ்.
இப்போ இப்போ எனக்கு பிசினஸ் கொடுத்திருக்கா, நான் அத எனக்கு தெரியல. நான் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ரிசீவ்டு அண்ட் இது கிவன் இருக்கு இல்லையா சார், நான் அதுல கிவன்ல போட்டதனால ஒன்னும் தப்பு இல்லையா சார்?
இல்ல, அது ஒரே ஸ்கிரீன் தான் மேடம். அது உங்களுக்கு கீழே காமிக்கிற. டோன்ட் லுக் அட் தி செகண்ட் ஹாஃப் ஆஃப் தி ஸ்கிரீன். லெட் மீ ஜஸ்ட் ஷோ யூ அகைன். நீங்க எதுல போட்டாலும் அது ஒரு இடத்துல தான் போய் சேரும் உங்களுக்கு.
ஓகே.
டிரான்சாக்ஷன் நோட்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா?
ஆமா சார்.
இங்க கீழே இருக்கு இந்த ஹாஃப் இருக்கு பாருங்க. டிஎன் கிவன் டிஎன் ரிசீவ்டுக்கு மேல இருக்கிறது ஒரு ஹாஃப், இது ஒரு ஹாஃபாவே நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. இது ஜஸ்ட் டு டிஸ்ப்ளே. நீங்க நான் 3 கொடுத்திருக்கேன், இது இவ்வளவு ரிசீவ் பண்ணிருக்கேன்றதுக்கு.
ஓகே சார்.
சரிங்களா? இது நியூனா ஒரே ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் தான் வரும் உங்களுக்கு. யூ ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி வாஸ் given by who gave you thing, what is the amount. நீங்க there is no way for you to say you what to say that you gave someone business, they did business கிடையாது. நீங்க எவ்வளவு இன்வாய்ஸ் பண்ணன்றது கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு தான் இந்த ஸ்கிரீன் உங்களுக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
சார் டூப்ளிகேட் சான்சஸ் இருக்கா? நான் மறந்து போய் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஎன் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டில கிவன்ல போய் கொடுத்துட்டேன். ஐயோ தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன்னு திரும்பி இங்க போய் மாத்துறேன். 2 times ரெக்கார்ட் ஆக சான்சஸ் இருக்கா?
கட்டாயமா இருக்கு சார். there is no validation here. it's only as a single entry system மாதிரி லெட்ஜர் மாதிரி கையில எழுதிறோம். there is a chance for you to duplicate.
கண்டிப்பா அந்த இடத்துல கொடுக்கும்போது இந்த டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ஆல்ரெடி ரெக்கார்டட் கண்டினியூ அப்படி ஒரு காஸ்ட் அலர்ட் கொடுத்தா பெட்டரா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? ஓ தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன் அப்படின்னு.
இல்ல சார், அதெல்லாம் நம்ம பண்ணோம்னா we will actually be spending too much time on this, sir. This is more of giving us an initial opening to someone and then leaving us to do our business the way we want it.
So it doesn't matter. Duplicate பரவாயில்ல. Transaction only counts at end of the day. Fine. அப்படின்னு போயிடலாம்.
Not only transaction counts, basically the connect தான் sir. We are looking initially at the connect. We are not trying to look at a complete CRM kind of thing here.
Correct.
Fine.
Correct. Absolutely true. More important is how we engage in this.
Correct. Engagement is to open the initial door, sir. That is what it is for.
So we take the opportunity, pass on the notes to us, sir. Sirvani also. Whatever software related thing.
Sure, sir. In fact, Monday உங்க ஏரியா பக்கத்துல வரேன், பெருந்துறைக்கு வரேன் நான் actually.
Okay, please do come. அதே ஒரு Tuesday கம்பைன் பண்ணி வர மாதிரி வந்தீங்கன்னா எங்க சாப்டருக்கு வந்து நீங்க அட்ரஸ் பண்ணலாம்.
இல்ல சார், எனக்கு Tuesday அன்னைக்கு திருச்சியில ஒரு ரோட்டரி ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்கு சார். So I'll have to go.
Please postpone it, sir. Please come to us and make your
best, sir.
Okay.
Looking that.
So, I think
Sir, ஒரே ஒரு suggestion, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, seriously, we are looking at one person in the software category. எங்களுது profile. அதனால please keep that option mind. அது கொஞ்சம் back of the mind வச்சுங்க. ஏதாவது find a person somewhere. அவங்க ரெஃபரன்ஸ் மூலியமா எனக்கு கோயம்புத்தூர்ல கிடைச்சாங்கன்னா அந்த கேட்டகரி that would be a very great help for us.
Sure, sir. I'll check out some.
Please, sir.
I
Thank
have
you.
a lot of college mates and friends in Coimbatore. Let me reach out to them.
great,
Please, sir.
great. Thanks, Rajagopal sir.
அது வரும்போது I don't
யாருக்காவது
mind
ஏதாவது
taking all
question
the
இருக்கா?
opportunities, sir.
Okay.
வேற யாருக்காவது கொஸ்டின்
நீங்க அது வரையும் நீங்க வெயிட் பண்ண அவசியம் இல்ல. நீங்க வந்து ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுத்துறோம் எங்களுக்கு. We'll take care of you how to execute it. இல்ல எங்களுக்கு ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகல டிரான்சாக்ஷன் நிறைய எங்களுக்கு.
விஜயலட்சுமி மேடம்,
எஸ் சார், சொல்லுங்க சார்.
over to you. யாருக்கும் கொஸ்டின் இல்லனா we can move forward.
ஓகே.
Thank Rajagopal sir for his fantastic.
Sir, before wind up, anything you want to share, sir, personally? Anything other things?
Is there nothing else?
யாருக்காவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா?
Before wind up, last, so that she can, Vijayalakshmi ma'am can finish it up.
சார், தேங்க்யூ ராஜகோபால் சார். உங்களோட வேல்யூபிள் டைம்ல பாவம் இந்த டிரைவிங்ல கூட எங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிட்டே வந்தேன்.
Lele, madam, just leveraging technology. I really feel bad that I was not on time. As a salesperson, my always hallmark is to be before 5 minutes before rather than 5 minutes late, because I know I've lost orders by going late. So I would never want to do that. But unfortunately, circumstances beyond my control today.
தேங்க்ஸ் எல்லா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ தேங்க் ஆல் த மெம்பர்ஸ். எல்லாரும் ஈகரா வந்து பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணிட்டு நிறைய க்வெஸ்சன்ஸ் இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ராஜகோபால் சார் கூட ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ. அடுத்தது சாரோட வேல்யூபிள் டைம் வந்து எங்களோட ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நிறைய எங்க மெம்பர்ஸ் கேட்ட எல்லா க்வெஸ்சன்ஸுக்கும் நிதானமா ஆன்சர் பண்ணி எங்களோட இது கோஆர்டினேட் பண்ணதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சார்.
What I would want every one of you to do is actually go ahead and update your profile of full update பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will be easier for people outside chapters like us to understand your business in a better fashion and pass on some opportunity notes. Thank you for the opportunity. Anytime, please feel free to email or call me, and whatever little I know, I'll share.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks sir, and thanks to all our members